Oh, that's a solid question. And a fun one too. Because honestly, running Android apps on your PC feels like unlocking developer mode for real life. Excuse me. You suddenly get the best of both worlds, phone flexibility plus desktop power. Let's go full tutorial mode on how to use Android apps on PC. Why you'd want to do this? Running Android apps on PC can let you use mobile-only apps like Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat with a mouse and a keyboard. Help desk apps that, if you're a dev or freelancer, allow you to play Android games on a big screen. Looking at you, Clash of Clans, Warriors. So, option one: use Windows 11's built-in Android support. If you are on Windows 11, congrats, you're halfway there. Microsoft baked-in Android apps support via the Amazon App Store. Just type Amazon App Store, powered by Windows subsystem, subsystem for Android. Okay, and open Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft App Store, and then Amazon App Store, and install it. And the system will prompt you to install Windows Subsystem for Android. Stands for WSA. Accept it. Restart your PC when it's done. Open Amazon App Store. Sign in with your Amazon account. Browse and install Android apps just like you would on your phone. Alright? Yeah. Bonus, you can also sideload APKs on WSA using the developer mode option. That's how you get apps not on Amazon's stores. Amazon's store. Option 2. Use an Android emulator. Works on Windows and Mac. If you're not on Windows 11 or want more control, emulators are your best friend. So, BlueStacks, you could type BlueStacks. Yeah, BlueStacks 5. Best for gaming, optimized and stable. Optimized, stable, and supports keyboard and mouse mapping. You have Nox Player, lighter and more customizable. LD Player, great for performance and resource management. Mimo Play, balanced for both productivity and gaming. Right? So if you want to know how to set up, let's say BlueStacks, go to bluestacks.com, download and install BlueStacks 5, launch it, sign in with your Google account, open the Play Store inside BlueStacks, download any Android app you want, Instagram, WhatsApp, PUBG, you name it. Double click the app icon to run it like a native PC app. You'll see your Android home screen running in a window. Multitask between apps, record your screen, or even sync with your phone. Option 3, you can use Android Studio for developers. This one's more advanced but gives you the most control. Perfect if you want to test apps or debug real APKs. So download Android Studio from developer.android.com. Okay, install it, install and open it. Go to more actions, virtual device manager, create a new Android virtual device, choose your device type, Pixel 7 for example, and system image like Android 13 or 14. Launch the emulator, drag and drop any APK file into the window. It will install instantly. You're basically running a full Android phone inside your computer. So you have option 4, which I don't recommend, but you can choose to do that if none of these steps that I mentioned works. So if your PC is low end or you don't want to install heavy software, you can use cloud-based Android emulators. Try now.gg or GenMotion Cloud. professional grade emulator runs on web or desktop. Now .gg run Android games directly in your browser. Right? You can also link your real Android phone. If you just want to mirror your phone's screen, not emulate it, do this instead. On Windows, install full link, comes built in Windows 11. On your Android, install link to Windows app. Pair both devices via QR code. You can now use your Android apps, reply to messages, even drag files. It's not emulation, but for day-to-day use, it feels almost native. So, few tips. Emulators can be CPU heavy. Close other programs for smoother performance. BlueStacks and Knox sometimes include ads or bloatware. Stick to official downloads only. Don't install modded APKs unless you trust the source. Malware loves to hide in those. So, TLDR, if you want simplicity, use Windows 11 plus Amazon App Store. Performance for gaming, use BlueStacks or LD Player. Dev testing, use Android Studio. Light browser based, use now.gg or GenMotion Cloud. Just mirroring, use the phone link. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.